The UBPET 22,000 Pascal Robot Vacuum is a top choice for pet owners who want to effortlessly maintain a clean home. With suction power that is significantly stronger than average, this vacuum excels at tackling tough messes. It is designed to handle both delicate and rough carpets with ease, even climbing up to 1.5 inches. The vacuum's design prevents hair from tangling, enhancing cleaning efficiency and user satisfaction. Its unique D-shaped body ensures stability and minimizes missed spots, improving overall cleaning performance. The smart features, including intelligent obstacle avoidance and low-noise operation, make it a convenient and user-friendly option.